Welcome to DeskTrack. Let's set up your system so DeskTrack can start tracking activities and productivity accurately. To begin tracking, you need to install the DeskTrack agent on your machine. Follow these steps to download and install the agent. First, go to your DeskTrack dashboard. After creating your account and logging in, you will land on the main dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, click on the Download Agent option. You will now see download options for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux OS. Download for Windows, select Windows 64-bit to download the installer. You will get a file named swtinstaller.exe. Right click on the swtinstaller.exe file. Go to Properties, check Unblock, click Apply and OK. Right click again on the file and select Run as Administrator. Now the DeskTrack agent will start installing on your system. After installation, wait for 5 to 10 minutes for your system to sync with DeskTrack. Your system will appear in your user list using your system profile name. Now you can edit the username and email ID as per your requirement. If you face any difficulty during installation, feel free to connect with our support team at support@timeandtask.com.